Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must act now. Stop browsing and disconnect the machine to prevent memory overwrite. Once done, make sure you do not reboot or launch new browser sessions because volatile data is fragile. Use a second clean computer and an external drive to store images. Prepare forensic tools like a RAM dumper and a bit-for-bit disk imager on your clean system. These let you capture evidence without altering the original. You're setting up a safe workflow, so recovery chances remain maximized. Next, capture volatile and semi-volatile sources. First, create a full RAM dump. This can contain live private browsing content or DOM fragments. Then image the system drive and any page file or hibernation file because browsers often spill data there. Once you have copies, load them into analysis tools like Volatility or Recall and search for browser process artifacts, URL patterns, HTTP bodies, and DOM fragments. Be methodical. Document timestamps and hash images so you can trace findings and confirm integrity. Finally, extract any recovered URLs, page HTML, and form data from the memory and disk artifacts. Export them as files and record where each came from. Then cross-check those artifacts against disk caches, temporary files, and timestamps to validate authenticity. If you find partial fragments, reconstruct pages carefully. Don't alter originals. If analysis returns nothing, accept that private mode may have prevented storage and consider professional forensic help for deeper imaging and recovery. One tip: if analysis fails, avoid further use to preserve remaining artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.